Hey, what's up everyone? Aubrey Trades here with a trade recap video. Man, today was pretty insane. The markets, man. SPY just fresh lows down to 449 on the first Covid Omicron variant hitting the States. Man, look at this. We had like near 2% like run here, and then boom, just all the boom, massive panic. VIX like blowing past 30 into the 32s. Fear is in the streets, ladies and gentlemen. And interestingly enough, what did we see? Fun right over here, and DWAC. It's almost like the market is like, no, take away this pain. We want Trump back, right? So weird. Me myself, ending the day up $51.98. Took a couple on Fun and the DWAC warrants, and then CNTX, which was actually a Twitter pump, a Zach Morris play that finally had a multi-day breakout here. Let's go ahead and look at the chart, and we'll go get this going. Now, CNTX has been on the watch list doc for like, I don't know, well over a week. So if you want to check that out, link in the description below, where I keep all of the ideas. Now, did I grab the majority of this? No, but we've been watching. I had this trend break on the daily, broke to fresh lows, kind of forgot about it a little bit, and then noticed the other day that it started curling up, and today ended up being the big day. So I took just a very small piece here, 50 shares at 851, and then selling them off at 898. No way that I was going to hold through all of this, especially since by the time it hit my radar, it had already started spiking. So what I had done was I got long on this pullback here after the spike, thinking that I would risk the low of this candle right here, or, you know, crossing into the 1513 cloud. Held up nicely, and then, you know, held this. After this low is pulled in, this became my risk level here at 832, which it respected, and then sold off here as it started to cross back into the cloud at 898. Of course, we had another shot here at the 932s, but that is fine. I caught my piece, you know, nice, easy, you know, $20-something win there, $23.50 win on like a $10 risk or something. DWAC, W, and Fun were the other two big ones. We'll talk about OP2 since that was a morning trade, day 2 IPO. We were talking about from the morning idea. Now, I did get long here as we were coming into this support line, got caught in the halt down. That was real unfortunate, but my risk level was set here at this support, not this support, it was in the 9 or 860s pre-market lows. So that did give me the conviction to hold through this, because that got respected. I'm looking at the 1-minute chart, which is throwing me off. So it was down here, risk in the 860s, right here for the 3550 cloud break, respected, and then got it off here at 957 after the VWAP stuff. Didn't really like it. That sort of ruined my thesis of the day 2 rotation up until 1187s too. So I took the small easy profit, and then we took DWAC W. So here's the trick, all right? So DWAC end of day, there's some ridiculously crazy like 450,000 share buy order or something. Someone put like 11 million bucks into this stock. Halts up here at 36. And ends up opening up here. Now, I didn't take this trade, but I want to show you something. Usually when a stock halts up, you can go to the warrants here as it starts to load, if it wants to load. usually you can get the warrants for a quick play. I don't know why it doesn't want to show. There we go. So this, as DWAC was halted up, this thing ran. This is all during the halt. It goes from 1470s all the way into $18. DWAC didn't unhalt until after hours, all right? Now, the trade that I did take was here on the warrants after we had this consolidation in after hours. So I grabbed 40 shares here, and then I was risking here this 1531. Unfortunately, I sold it way too soon at 1783, even though this thing ended up going to $20 in after hours. So piked the sell, definitely piked the sell. Same thing with fun in the after hours. I took the same structure trade, and DWAC W I took after I saw that I'd piked the fun trade. Fun I took here on this trend break, nice little structure here. I got long. This was a $10 risk off of 1325, right? So just about 10-11 cent risk. Got it off at 346. The thing climbs all the way to 460s. What an idiot I am. What a freaking idiot I am. I should have known that this had the potential. These are going to be top watches tomorrow morning out the gates, 100%. But I need to give a note to myself, okay? Like, really gotta let the winners run. Like, if you're going to make up for the losses, you need to have outsized winners, especially stuff like this. This was like, I don't even want to think about it. If I had 1R for every 11 cents, and this was 350, 346, like, I'm sorry, 336, it makes me sad just thinking about it. I'm not even going to say it out loud. But something to keep in mind as we move forward. Like, want to do the $10 risk? Fine. But when it starts to work, let it breathe. Get that 3, 4, 5 to 1, 6, 7, 8, like this could have been. Ridiculous. So overall, happy. It was good. It was green, but definitely need to let some of these things that work, I need to let them work more. Again, fun, DWAC, Trump stocks, top watches out of the gate, especially, or also, SPY, VIX, calls, options, see how it respects the key levels, and could get some plays there. So that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other types of content you want to see from this channel. Thanks again. I'm Arby Trades. I'll see you in the next video.